auspicious. Thank you. All right. So let us try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concepts which I had covered in our yesterday's class. So guys, as a matter of fact, from last 3 to 4 days onwards, we have been discussing about control statements. Like I told you, there are 3 types of control statements are there, like selection, iteration, and jump statements. So selection statements will be having if else, if then, switch, which we have already done, completed, and iteration statements. When you are speaking about iteration statements, basing upon the condition, like certain condition will be there, and basing upon the condition, that loop will be some set of statements will be getting executed again and again and again and again until the condition is false. So we have seen that, like when you're speaking about iteration statements, there are like while, do while, for, and for each loop. Already covered that particular concepts also. And then when we are speaking, like yesterday we had discussed about jump statements also. Like, yes, when you're speaking about jump statements, there are 3 types of jump statements are there. Those are like break, continue, and return. Break, continue, and return, as simple as it is. So yes, we have already covered all those particular concepts also. Now today, guys, we'll be trying to discuss about scanner class. Okay, understanding Java scanner class. Okay, understanding Java scanner class. Now, so when you're speaking about scanner class, what is the use of this scanner class? Right. What is the use of this scanner class? Guys, scanner class is used to accept the input from the user dynamically. Means at runtime only, scanner class is used to take the input. Okay, for example, let me try to have a small program here. Okay, just a second. Right, just a second, guys. All right, now for example, let me just try to have a basic method, guys, just a simple method. Okay, now void method one, like this, just a simple method. Now I'm taking int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20, int a equal to 10, and int b equal to 20, and system.out.println addition value plus a plus b, addition value a plus b, like that. Okay, I'm trying to write like this. Now just let me have my main method. Now inside my main method, I'll be trying to create an object, new class a. Okay, I'm creating an object, and with the help of that object, I'm calling our method one. With the help of the object, I'm calling method one. That's it, not more than that. And now if I execute my program, I'm pretty much damn sure, like easily you'll be able to say the answer. Of course, we had did like this kind of programs, like a lot of times we have already did this. So you already know this answer, like our output will be 30. Now my problem here is, guys, every time A value is 10 and B value is 20 only. Every time. For example, when I'm executing my program for the second time also, again the same values are there. Now what I want to do is, I don't want to take static inputs. Static inputs means like these are already fixed inputs. I don't want to run my program on fixed data. I want to ask the user to enter the data. For example, guys, whenever we are going to ATM, at ATM, we'll be trying to enter our own choice. Basing upon the choice which we have entered, the operations will be done. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So what I want to ask, like what I want to do here was, I want to ask the user to enter some data. Okay, like enter first number, enter second number, and user may enter any number, whatever the number which is entered by the user. Basing upon that data, I want to perform addition. As simple as this. Okay, but all this should be done at runtime only. Runtime only means whenever I run my program, here my console should wait, like my cursor should wait for me to enter the data. Are you understanding me, guys? Here my cursor should wait in the console to enter the data. That is my requirement. If that is my requirement, then we are supposed to use scanner class. We are supposed to use scanner class. Okay, now what is the use of scanner class? It is used to accept the input from the user. It is used to accept input from the user at runtime. Okay, it is used to accept input from the user at runtime. And one more important point which you need to remember in scanner class is, that is scanner class. It is present in java.util package. It is present in java.util package. Okay, so guys, the point, when we need to import, exactly, if two classes are present in two different packages, then we need to use import statement. I told you. Now once again, guys, scanner is a predefined class. Scanner is a predefined class which is present in java.util package. Now if we want to use scanner class in our program, one more time guys, one more time. If we want to use scanner class in our program, then 100% what we need to do, we need to import that scanner class which is present in java.util package into our program. If we are not importing that scanner class, we'll be getting a compile time error. Am I clear with that? Yes. Now, right. So once again, I'm saying you guys, if we want to use scanner class in our program, then 100% we need to import that scanner class into our program. I'll show you guys. Okay, if you are not importing, we'll be getting a compile time error. Right now guys, there are different methods are there in scanner class. Okay, literally there are a lot of methods are there in scanner class. Now I want to specifically discuss about next int method. next int method, guys, next int method. Okay. Now, guys, next int method is present in scanner class. Okay. Along with this next int method, a lot of other methods are also there. Now, right now, I'm discussing about this next int method. Next int method, what this next int method will be doing, it will accept numbers from the keyboard as an input, and it will return the same numbers. Means the return type of next int method is int. What is the return type of next int method, guys? The return type of next int method is int. Now, once again, I'm saying you guys, once again, I'm saying you, scanner is a predefined class. Okay. Scanner is a predefined class. In which package it is present? In which package it is present? Guys, please respond here. Please respond. Don't make me like say number of times. Please respond. At least for today. Okay. Right. So yes, it is present in java.util package. Okay. Now, if I want my Java program to accept numbers from the keyboard, which method I need to use? Which methods I need to use? Which method? Next int method. Now this next int method is present in which class? Next int method is present in scanner class. Now if I want to call this next int method, how can I call? Or else what I need? If I want to call this next int method, what I need? Exactly. Object. Which object I need? Don't say class object. Okay. Which class? Exactly. I need to create an object for scanner class, and with the help of that object, I can call the method. Am I right or wrong? Now, please observe the code here, guys. Please observe the code. Now here, I'm trying to create an object for scanner class. Okay. I'm trying to create an object for my scanner class. Why I'm creating an object for scanner class? Can you please tell me? Why I'm creating an object for scanner class? To use next int method. Exactly. To call next int method. Very good. To access method. Exactly. New scanner, new scanner, and here I'm writing system.in, and here equal to sc belongs to scanner, scanner, like this. Now my very first question is why I am getting an error. Why I am getting an error? I'm getting an error because guys, scanner class is present in which package? Exactly, guys. Very good. Scanner class is present in java.util package. So I told you to import, right? import java.util.scanner. Import java.util.scanner. Now, sir, what is this system.in? Guys, in means input stream. Input means whatever the input which we are trying to give from the keyboard, that input will be accepted by this input stream. What is the name? What is the name of this? IN. IN means input stream. Input stream. Kindly say like that. Input stream. Okay. Now this input stream is present in system class. So it is actually a static value. So how can I access a static value, guys? How can I access a static value? Like in how many ways I can access a static value? 3 ways I can access, right? Like what are those? Directly with the help of like identifier, or else with the help of class object, or else with the help of class name. Did you remember that? So with the help of that class name, I am accessing this. That's it. Okay. So again, new scanner, inside these parentheses, try to pass system.in. What is the system.in? System.in means it will be accepting the input from the keyboard. In means input stream. In means input stream. Is it clear, guys? Now, yes, this is a parameterized constructor which is present in scanner class. Okay. Now what I want to do here is, guys, let me ask the user, guys, system.out.println, please enter your, or else please enter first number. I'm asking the user to enter the first number. Okay. Now whatever the data which is entered by the user, I want to accept that data. So which method I need to take? I mean, I'm asking the user to enter a number. Which method I need to take? Just now I told you. No, not scanner method. Which method? Method name. Next int method. Now, guys, that next int method is present in which class? Next int method is present in which class? It is present in scanner class. So can I call that next int method with the help of scanner class object sc dot next int like this? Now, by the way, can you please tell me what is the return type of this next int method? Return type of this next int method is int. So in the place of 10, can I write like this? Can I write like this? Yeah, whatever the data which is entered by the user, I'm trying to accept that data with the help of this next int method, and I'm just trying to save that in A. That's it. Now system.out.println, I'm asking the user, please enter second number. Okay, please enter second number. Now here what I'll be trying to do, sc dot next int like this. Okay, now I just want to print them. System.out.println a is plus a, and system.out.println b plus b, like this. As simple as this, not more than that. Okay, now I'm just trying to add. Now please observe here, if I execute my program, let me do one thing. Let me try to use a reference that would be interesting. AOBJ belongs to class A, like that. Like that. Okay, now if I execute my program from line number 24, my compiler will be coming to line number, tell me the line number. Please tell me the line number. Line number 7. Line number 7, guys. First, line number 7. Inside that, we are having a method. So in line number 9, what is happening here? Line number 9, what is happening here? We are creating an object for the scanner class. Okay, fine, no problem. Object creation will be done. Okay, in line number 11, system.out.println, please enter. Exactly. Please enter first number. So this data will be present in the console. In the console, this will be printed. Okay, like this. Just let me try to. That data will be printed and my cursor will be coming to the next line. And my cursor will be waiting here. Why my cursor will be waiting? As I have used nextInt method, what nextInt method will be accepting? NextInt method will be accepting the input from the user. Are you understanding me, guys? Now, please observe here, right click, run as Java application like this. Please enter first number. And here my cursor is waiting. It is waiting for me to enter the data. Okay. If I'm entering the data as Java, will it accept? Will it accept? No, it will not accept. Let us check. I'm pressing enter. 3, 2, 1, enter. I'll be getting an exception. What is that exception, guys? Input mismatch. What we need to give? We need to give a number. You are giving a string. So no. Sir, if I want to give string, what we need to do? Use. Wait here. Wait. First, let us go with int. After that, we'll be going with string. Okay. Now, right click, run as Java application like this, and I'm entering the number as 50. Now, if I press enter, up to now I did not press enter. If I press enter, what will be happening? You know, this 50 will be taken as an input by this nextInt method, and this 50 you are saving it in A. Right now, A value is 50. After that, line number 14, please enter second number will be printed here. Please enter second number will be printed. Let me check. 3, 2, 1, enter. Please enter second number, and my cursor is waiting here for my second number. It is waiting here for my second number. Now, if I give 49, now what will happen? If I press enter, this 49 will be taken as an input by this nextInt method, and B value is 49. So A value will be 50 will be printed, B value 49 will be printed, and immediately addition value, that is A plus B, that is 99 will be printed. Please check that. 3, 2, 1, enter. Are you understanding me, guys? So likewise, any numbers, we can literally take any numbers. So any number, for example, let me go with 100. Okay, please enter second number, 900, something like that. So that's it. We can take any number directly from the keyboard. As simple as it is. Okay. Now, for example, sir, I'm having a small doubt. You said int and char both are compatible. Int and char both are compatible. Can I take that? A? Can I take A like this first? Okay. Can I take it? Yes? No. Guys, here, if you are trying to give A also, it will be accepted as a string. It will be accepted, sir. Okay, I want to do one thing, sir. I want to give in the single quotes. Now what happened? Please enter. Are you understanding me, guys? NextInt method will accept only numbers, guys. This is the input from the users. Am I right or wrong? From the keyboard. You are not writing the input in the code. Code means implicit and explicit casting will be done. But when you're giving the input from the keyboard, dynamically, we need to give precisely the same data. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this, guys? Someone asked me. Anish, I hope it's clear, buddy. Okay. You did not respond. Right. Very good. Very good. All right, guys. So one more time, right click, run as Java application. So please enter the number. I'm entering the number as 50 and 49 like this. I'll be getting my addition value as 99, as simple as this. So like this, guys, by using like scanner class, wherever we want, like if we are having a numbers at any place, we can use this nextInt method. For example, I'll be trying to use void method 2 like this. Okay. Now this int, or I'll do one thing. Now let me try to make this as integer method, and system.out.println, I'm writing system.out.println, I'm simply writing method2 called, and I'm asking the user system.out.println, please enter a number to return from the method. I'm just asking the user like that. Okay, now I'm sure that you know why I'm getting an error at line number 21. Do you know that? Yes or no? Yes. So here, let us try to return return. Now sc dot next int method like this. Can I write like this? I'm getting an error. Can you please tell me why I am getting an error, guys? Why I am getting an error? Please tell me. No, Gaurav, no, not exactly. Yes. We are getting an error because only inta. No, guys, come on, scanner. This object belongs to method 1. We are using sc in method 2. So what do you suggest? Do you tell me, are you saying me to create one more object inside the method 2? Are you asking me to create one more object? So guys, let me tell you one thing here. Always creating multiple objects is not recommended. Okay, we'll do one thing. Shall I create, or can I create that object at class level like that? Am I right or wrong? Now I can use this object in any method. Yes. See, am I getting any error? No, I'm not getting any error. Now please observe here. Just let me try to call system.out.println like that. And okay, Ravi, you're asking, sir, can we import scanner under method 1? Yeah, we can do that. Ravi. Like there are different ways of importing a class into your program. There are different ways. So whenever we are discussing that particular packages concept, we'll be discussing that. Okay, Ravi. But as you have asked me, we can import a scanner, like when we can import a class for a particular method by using fully qualified class name without using import statement. It is entirely another concept, Ravi. Okay, we'll be discussing that. Whenever the topic comes, like in the middle, I don't want to discuss that. It will be disturbed. I hope you're understanding. Right, right. Now, guys, please observe here. Please observe here. Now, what I want to do is, let me try to call aobj dot method2. aobj dot method2 simply. I'll do one thing, guys. Let me try to keep this in comment. aobj dot method1 in comment. Now I'm okay. Why can I write like this? System dot out dot println method2 is returning plus aobj. Can I write like that? Of course. See, method to return type is integer. I'm trying to return that. Okay, let me execute. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, now method to call. Now we are asking the user. We are asking the user to enter a number. Okay, let me try to enter a number. Something like 100. I'll be trying to enter something a number as 100. Now, if I press enter, what will be happening? This 100 will be taken as an input by this nextInt method, and it will be returning. Guys, did you observe the difference between line number 11, line number 12, and line number 24? I'm not saving that in anywhere. Simply, I'm trying to return. Did you understand the code, guys? If I want, I will save, or else not required. Directly, I will return. Now, please observe here. I'm pressing enter 3, 2, 1, like this. Method 2 is returning 100. Am I clear with this, guys? Is it clear? For example, just let me try to have a parameterized method. Okay, void method. Okay, just let me try to go with like a parameterizer constructor. What do you say? Class A, like this, and here I'm going with int a comma int b, int a comma int b. Okay. Okay, we don't want to make it complicated. We'll do one thing. Let me go with like method only, int method 3, int method 3, like this. Now what I want to do here is, okay, void void void. Now int a comma int b, like this. Now guys, please concentrate. Now, simple, guys, very simple. System dot out dot println, simply I'm writing method 3 called, and I'm not doing anything. Just I want to system dot out dot println, just multiply, multiply, multiplication value. Just I'll be trying to write like this, plus a into b. That's it. Okay. Now I want to ask the user to enter the data. Okay. Now let me try to keep this in comment. Guys, are you getting me? System dot out dot println, please enter parameters for the methods. For method 3, please enter int parameters. Two int parameters. How many parameters does not know. So 2 int parameters for method 3. Okay. Now please observe here. Now I'm just trying to write it like this. aobj dot method 3 sc dot nextInt, like this, and sc dot nextInt, like this. Now can I write like this, guys? Am I going to get any error? Can I write like this? Why Why I cannot write like that? Guys, see, method 3, I'm calling method 3. Yes, method 3 is a parameterizer method. Method 3 is a parameterizer method. Rathod, analyze. Analyze, Rathod, analyze. I need complete answer. Right. Krishna, that is very good. All right, guys, please observe here. If I'm trying to write like that, am I getting any error? Am I getting any error? Of course. Of course. We'll be getting an error. I mean, see, in line number 39, we are getting an error. Now, why we are getting an error? Sir, come on, guys. SC, it is a instance variable. It is an instance variable. Am I right or wrong? So, can you please tell me how to resolve this? Can you please tell me how to resolve this? You know that. You know that. Make that as static. No, I don't want to make it like static. Without creating an object. Why? Class name. No, yeah. No. Okay, very good. Right. Guys, tell me one thing. Can we access an instance variable inside a static method? Yes or no? Just say yes or no. Can we access an instance variable inside a static method? The people who are saying no, kindly please go and check. Please check and tell me. Whenever we discussed about static concept regarding static method, I told you a point. Regarding static method, I told you, we can access an instance variable inside a static area with the help of class object. Did you remember that? Come on, guys. Okay. Now, already I'm having my class object here. So, can I write like this? AOBJ dot SC, and here also AOBJ dot SC. What do you say, guys? Can I write like that? Yes, of course. I'm trying to access my instance variable with the help of class object, and I'm trying to call that method, nextInt method, as simple as this. Now, let me execute my program. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, please enter two int parameters for method 3. First, I'm entering 10. Okay, and again, I'm entering 20. Method 3 called multiplication value is 200. Did you understand the concept, guys? Please tell me. Now, guys, just like nextInt method, in scanner class, we will be having, please observe these methods, like next byte method. It accepts byte as an input. And can you please tell me what is the return type of this next byte? Return type. Exactly, byte. For next short. Okay. NextInt, you already know. Next long, yes, long. What about this next method? Guys, next method will accept a single word. WORD, a single word. So can you please tell me what is the return type? Come on, guys, how you are saying char? Did I say it will accept a single character? I'm saying a single word here. One word. What is the return type? Guys, you are making me okay. Right. Basically, I'm having very low energy levels today. Come on, be attentive. be attentive. Okay. Yes. Next, the return type of next method is string. It accepts only one word. Okay. What is the return type of next line method? It will accept a complete line, a single line. Exactly. The return type of next method and next line method is string. Next boolean, boolean. Next float, float. Next double, double. Sir, where is the character, sir? Regarding this character, in order to accept a character from the input, scanner class is not having any methods. It is not having any method. Sir, then how to get a character? We will be able to understand how to accept a character from a user whenever we are dealing with string handling. String handling. Can you please wait until that particular concept, guys? How to accept a character from the user. Why? Because scanner class is not having that, next char method. So how to accept that character, we'll be seeing that. Am I clear with that? Right, right. Now, guys, do me a favor. Please have this program for me first. Please have this program. We'll do one thing, guys. Just a second. Just a second. I'm sorry. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm sorry. For example, string return type is okay. I'll do one thing. I'll try to take one more method. Okay. Void method 4 like this. Okay. Now simply I'm asking the user system.out.println, please enter enter your name. Please enter your name. That's it. Okay. Now, whatever the name which is entered by the user, let us think that that is one word. Let us think one word. Can you please tell me what I need to write? Can you please give me the code? Can you please give me the code, guys? SC dot next method. SC dot next method. That's it. And shall I store it in a string name like this? And just I want to print system.out.println name plus name like that. Let me try to call that method, please. AOBJ dot method 4. Now right click, run as Java application. Now please enter your name. I'm entering my name as Kishan and name is Kishan. For example, guys, if I'm trying to write Kishan BSINA like that, am I going to get any exception? Just a second. Right. So guys, if we are using this, now, am I going to get any exception? Why? Because I told you like next method will accept only a single word. Let us check. I'm pressing enter. 3, 2, 1, enter like this. Did I got any exception? Nope. I did not got any exception. Only the first word will be accepted by the Next method. Sir, if I want to take the complete word, then you are supposed to use which method? Then which method you are supposed to use? Next line. Exactly. Very good, guys. Do me a favor. First, have this program. After that, I want to give a task for you. Please have this program for me. Pooja, we will be able to know like with practice, Amma. Yes, only with practice you will be able to understand that. Tali. Alpesh, yes, but I don't want to discuss it right now. Kindly please wait for that whenever we are dealing with packages concept. Okay. Harshni, it's very simple, Tali. Next method is used to accept a word. Next int method is used to accept a number. That's it, not more than that. Literally, there is no obsession kind of thing. Okay. Don't get confused. It will be easy for you guys to understand. That's it. Okay, I'm getting a question from Krishna sir. Scanner class accepts only system.in. No, actually, it will be accepting input streams also, like IO streams also. There are different types of constructors will be there, Krishna. Almost nearly 8 to 10 constructors will be there. Each constructor, according to our different requirements, will be using that. Not all the constructors right now will not be using them. Okay, Krishna? Not in core, not in core. Not in core. In advance, you will be discussing them. Good. Guys, please have the program. Please have the program. I'm requesting you. Don't take the screenshots. Don't take the screenshots. Don't take the screenshots. Again, I'm saying you. Don't take the screenshots. Some constructors will be discussing in IO streams, Krishna. Some, not all. Okay. Yeah, that's what depending upon our topic. Harshni, there is a reason why I'm not answering that question. Okay. It's not like if you are pasting multiple times, I'm going to answer that. Are we discussing that concept right now? Ma Harshni, tell me. Then did I told you that? Guys, please don't ask a topic which we are not discussing right now in the class. Did I told you? Why? Because the class will be disturbed, Harshni. You should be understanding that. Okay? No, it's not like on your question. I should be going with the topic, right? So please, wait for the topic. Wait for the topic. I love your enthusiasm, but whenever the topic comes, we'll be discussing that. Concentrate on today's topics first, please. Guys, please inform if it is completed. Please inform if it is completed. If you're not informing me, I don't know, guys, whether it's done or not. So please, like once your, writing is complete, please inform me. I've been waiting. I've been waiting. Please, please. Right. I hope it's complete for everyone. Is it done? No? Okay, okay. One more minute, just 1 more minute, 1 more minute. Please be fast. Just 1 more minute. Okay. Yeah, 1 more minute. Please go ahead. Go ahead, guys. Go ahead. No issues. And don't forget to inform me like whether it's completed or not. Okay. Yes. inform me. You just go on with your information, like it's done like that, so that basing upon like more number of messages, I'll be able to proceed. As simple as this. Yashwant, in line number 44, actually, whenever I'm calling a method, see this method 3 is a parameterized method. Am I right, Yashwant? So what we are doing here, whenever we are calling this method 3, we need to pass a parameter. So what I'm doing here, instead of giving the parameter whenever we are running our program, I'm asking the user, as scanner class is a instance variable. I mean, I had created here, right? Here, this is instance. So how can I access an instance value inside a static method? With the help of class object, I can access that. So I'm able to call nextInt method with the help of scanner, and I'm able to access scanner class with the help of class object. Is it clear, Ashwant? Yes, that is good. That is great. All right, guys. I hope it's clear for everyone. Okay, I think it's clear for everyone. Now, task time. So guys, please observe this task for me. Please listen to this task correctly. Okay, please listen to this task correctly. Now, whenever we are running a program, now what I want you to do is, I want you to write a program. Okay, these are two tasks. First, leave this task. I'm discussing about this task. Now, whenever we are running our program, running, okay, if I run my program in the console, I should be getting a message like this: welcome to our vegetable store. Onions 30 rupees, chili 60 rupees, 1 kg. Okay, if you want to write like this or no, it's your wish. I mean, I'm saying these numbers. Do one thing, numbers is for our understanding purpose. Guys, please listen to this question correctly. Okay, please listen to this question correctly. If I run my program in the console, I should be getting like this: welcome to our vegetable store. Please choose 5 options: onions, chili, tomato, brinjal, lady's finger. Don't mention these rates. These rates are for your understanding purpose. Are you understanding me? Are you getting me? Are you up to now? Is it clear for everyone? Guys, please don't ask again. Sir, tell the question, I did not understand. Again, once again, I'm saying you. Clearly, I'm saying you. Slowly, I'm saying you. If we run our program, I want you to write a program such that if I execute my program in my console first, console here, in my console first, welcome to our vegetable store. Please choose 1 onions, 2 chili, 3 tomato, 4 brinjal, 5 lady's finger should be displayed. Up to now, is it clear for everyone? Good. Now, I should choose. I'm asking, like we are asking the user to choose. If I entered brinjal, means in the console, if I entered brinjal and press enter button, this message should be displayed. I mean, the cost of brinjal. 1 kg of brinjal is the cost. Here it is displayed as 55, but what is the cost? What is the cost of brinjal? No, here. The cost of brinjal is 50, right? Yes. So 50 should be displayed, not 55. Are you understanding me, guys? 50 should be displayed. Here, 50. 50 should be displayed. Okay. 1 kg of brinjal is 50. 50 rupees. How many kgs you need? You should ask the user. You should ask the user how many kgs he need. And if I entered 2, you are supposed to display a message like this. 2 kgs of brinjal costs 110 rupees. Thank you for shopping with us. Please come back. 100 rupees. Here we need to mention it as 100 rupees. 100 rupees. Did you understand my question here, guys? Did you understand the question? For example, if I entered onions, I should enter onions. And in my console, 1 kg of onions is 30 rupees. 30 rupees. How many kgs you need? If I entered 3 kgs, if I entered 3, number 3 kgs of onion costs 90 rupees. Should be displayed. And thank you for shopping with us. Please come back. Did you understand the task which I have given you now? Is this task clear for everyone, guys? Please respond. Please respond. Please respond. Yes, that is very good. Like this, I want you to create a program. Whatever you are using, whatever the control statements you will be using, your wish. Okay. In this entire task, how many times user will be giving the data? In this entire task, how many times user will be giving the data? Exactly 2 times. 2 times. 2 times. Okay. User will be giving the data for 2 times. One, like whatever the vegetable which he wants, and 2, like second one is how many quantities he required. That's it. This is one task. And second task is, please ask the user to enter employee name, employee ID, employee salary, employee department, employee address. You need to ask the user, please enter employee name, store it in some value. Please enter employee ID, store it in some value, employee sal, employee department, employee address. Take whatever the methods which you want. If you want to take byte, short, int, long, next line, next float, your wish. Take any methods. And after that, what I want you to do is, I want you to display. Like details entered by the user. Employee name Kishan, employee ID some 101, employee salary some data like 10,000, 15,000, like that. Employee department Java, employee address HYD Hyderabad. Can you do that for me, guys? Like that. So these are the 2 tasks which I am giving you. These are the 2 tasks. Okay. Now what I want you to do is, guys, kindly please work with them. I believe you can do this. Okay. Now, guys, tomorrow we will not be having any class. I'm taking a leave tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow I'll not be conducting any class. I'll be taking a leave tomorrow. So we will be meeting again on, today is Tuesday. We'll be meeting again on Thursday. Okay, guys. Thursday. We'll be meeting again on Thursday. Right? Now, no, not any health issues, Shrikant. Just actually, today I'm in fasting. So yes. So I'll be a little bit weak tomorrow. Tomorrow I want to take rest. That's it. As simple as this. Okay. I hope it's clear, guys. So second question, I'm saying you, you need to ask the user, enter employee name, employee ID, employee salary, employee department, employee address, and just try to print them. Just try to print them. That's it, not more than that. Now, guys, before ending the session, like, do you find any change in my voice today? Is it okay? No changes. That is very good, guys. That is very good. Actually, I try to get complete my all my energy. Like, okay. All right, guys. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening, and we'll be trying to continue our session again by tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay, guys. Ravi, sir, you showed many success stories are from non-IT background, but no one from arts background. Ravi, like, I don't know, Ravi. I mean,